What's up guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to set your own background for your Google Chrome. So as you can see here, I am in Google Chrome, but I don't have any background set. Now, in order to set your own background, you have to ensure that you will log into your account here, or let's say your profile. So on the upper right hand side, you will see your profile. So you have to ensure that you sign into your profile like I am right now. So once you're inside your profile, you'll have that customized Chrome button at the lower right hand side. Now you can go ahead and click on that. So what you want to do now, in order to change the background, just simply click on change theme, and from here you see upload an image. So click on upload an image, and from here it will take you into your file explorer where you can easily go ahead and find those pictures for whatever you want. So let's say I am going to find a picture of my son, my family. So we can simply go ahead and find some image, and let me go ahead and choose a different view so that I can find something that I can use. And let's say we want to use this image here, so I'm going to select this image and I'm going to open it, and as you can see I have a picture of my son, my wife, right? So this is how you can easily go ahead and upload your own image and change your own background within Google Chrome. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.